Okay guys, welcome back. Today, we're not making an entree, we're not making a big meal. We're making a base for a lot of things. We're just gonna make garlic butter today. It's delicious. You can put this stuff on a lot of things. We'll cover that a little bit more. And it's so simple. You can just make it up, keep it in your fridge, and you are good to go. Let's get started. A few simple ingredients, all gonna get put in our molcajete and ground up. Let's start with the garlic. Gotta have the star of the show. I'm using 6 cloves and we're just gonna rough chop it. I've already taken the skin off the first 5, but if you're not sure how to do it, give her a good wallop with your knife and that skin pretty much peels right off. Get rid of that because that's the part we don't want. And there's a garlic clove, nice and easy. Now, I'm just gonna give these a really quick little rough chop. It's gonna help us out when we're trying to grind them. Do that with all 6. And when you're done, you have something that looks like this. Put this right in the molcajete. Now that that's in there, I'm just going to start smashing this down, get a little bit of the grinding process. We're going to try to turn this garlic into a bit of a paste. Alright, once it starts breaking down a little bit, we're going to add in a few more of our ingredients. Put in about a tablespoon of salt. That'll help grind it up and add the flavor. About a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and about a tablespoon of parsley. Get that all in there. Alright, now once it starts coming together, it's going to look pretty much like a paste. It should look something like this. You want it to basically be completely just ooeyed and gooeyed. I put in just a little bit of olive oil, maybe just a tablespoon or so. Do one more quick mix. Perfect. Now all we do is add our unsalted butter. You want to let it soften. You don't want to melt it, but you want to let it soften. And down here in the heat of Mexico, it does not take much, so it's not that hard to work. Just take one out and start mixing it in with your herbs and your garlic. Do that with all 4 butters. Alright, just continue to mix until your butter is pretty much completely incorporated in there. And if there was one video I've made that I wish you could smell, this would be it. The herbs, the aromatics, the garlic, it's great. And this stuff can be used for a variety of things. Obviously, put it on your French bread. When you throw that on the grill, you're going to have some of the best garlic toast you've ever had in your life. Making a grilled cheese sandwich, put this on there instead of butter. You'll never have a regular grilled cheese sandwich again. Put a dollop of this on top of your steak right before you serve it. Let that just melt in. It is delicious. It goes on so many things. There's a lot of other options. Shrimp scampi, this is kind of your base with your herbs and your garlic and your butter, and you can just season it up a little bit more. That's all you got to do. It was that quick. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it into a bowl, and I'm going to put it in the fridge and let it blend together and firm up, and we are good to go. Garlic butter. All right, once it's in the container, it's gonna look like this. Just put it in your fridge with the lid on it. It'll stay just like butter. But trust me, you're gonna be able to smell it every time you open that fridge. It's not gonna stay in there very long because you are gonna find things to use this for. Excellent stuff. Guys, if you like what you see here, please consider subscribing to our channel, 3 Suitcases. We come out with travel videos, drink videos, food videos, and the more subscribers we get, the more opportunities we have for other people to see what we're doing. Since we've moved down here from Minnesota to Mexico, as our life has been non-stop, and on the days we do get to rest, I like to cook. This is going to help me do that.